So I've got this little stack of lumber here. It's 1x6s, about 1.5 to 2 feet long, and a couple of 2x4s here as well. This is all scrap wood from work, and I thought, well, I'll bring this out to my winter camp. I'll build a couple of storage boxes. I want to build a toolbox, maybe a chair. And then I was thinking, well, how can I get this wood out there? It's quite the trek. So I do have a sled out at my winter camp. It's very long, and I'd have to go out there, bring it back home, only to bring it back again. I was also thinking, maybe just grab a couple boards at a time. Each trip I go to camp, just bring a couple boards, but that's quite a few trips right there. So then I thought, why don't I just build a sled out of this wood and then dismantle it when I get to camp. I also have a few other items I want to bring out there. Birdhouse, maybe my splitting maul to put in the sled. I thought that was a pretty good idea. So I'm going to build the sled and then I'll come back. My sled is all complete. It's not the prettiest looking thing, but you got to keep in mind that all this lumber is very rough cut. It's not all the same thickness, it's not all the same width. We use this for building crates to ship supplies up to the far north. I use minimal screws just so it doesn't take as long to tear this thing apart. Normally I put tons of screws in everything I build. And in some areas where I was screwing very close to the edge, I would pre-drill a hole just so I didn't split the wood. Over here is what I have left over. That will just go in the sled, and I'll fill up the rest of the supplies that it's going to bring. So besides all this lumber, here's a few more things I want to bring up to my camp. On the bottom I just have those extra boards laying flat. I got another baking sheet, a whole bunch of pumpkin seeds I want to use for bait, birdhouse that was being thrown away in the garbage, solar light for when I stay overnight, save on some battery power, and my 5-pound splitting maul. There might be more, but this is all I'm going to bring on my next trip. I'm not saying it's going to be easy to get this out here, but it'll be a lot easier than bringing a couple things every visit. Got some paracord. Tow it. It's nice and long, so this front isn't hitting me in the ankles. And I'm just going to take it outside and give it a test pull course, it's pitch black out there now.